making a volcano.
Awesome. Okay, Sam, can you pour some vinegar into the bottle? A big jug of vinegar. It's like lead, I think. It's heavy.
This one?
Yeah, that's good.
And it's filled up to here.
Hey, that's good stuff. Okay, now I need, Mary, I need you to add a couple drops of food coloring.
In where?
In the bottle that, show her the bottle, Sam.
Like,
4. Mom, how many drops?
3.
Okay.
We'll just do it right in the middle.
Okay. 1 or 2?
Well, Sam said 4 and you said 2, so I thought 3 sounded good.
she said 4.
Oh, well, it was right in the middle. It sounded good. Okay, and now I need Miss Rachel to go and put a squirt of dish soap in that red bottle.
Wait.
Hey, Sam, can you squash down? Because I can't see your head. You're like the headless man.
How much?
Oh, you don't really need that funnel, but
That's good.
cool. Okay, the last thing, or almost the last thing. Sam, why don't you take that and put it inside of our volcano here.
What is that going to do?
Well, we're going to have a volcanic eruption.
Then how's it going to pop out?
You'll see.
Okay, now I need Sam to take the dry funnel, so we don't want to mix them up. I think it was the smaller one. Weren't you using the bigger one before?
No.
Oh, okay. So use the other one.
Right.
And nope, not in that one. Put the 2 tablespoons of baking soda in the water bottle.
This one?
No, in that one, yeah. And we only have half a tablespoon, so we're gonna have to use 4 scoops.
Why not 3?
I think this is the moment of truth. So we've got our baking soda water. Why don't you go ahead and put a funnel in to our bottle inside our volcano. And then here we go. We're just going to pour it in, but then I want you to take the funnel away quickly, okay? We're going to get our eruption. Go.
Oh!
Oh, you put the stuff down. Did it work?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone say bye.
Bye.